This foldable sauna tent weighs just 27 kilograms and sets up in 3 minutes. The included stainless steel wood stove heats it to 93 degrees Celsius in 30 minutes, even on a snowy mountain. Price about $1,100. Weighs about 1.3 kilograms, but supports up to 120 kilograms. Comfortable backrest with foam headrest and mesh panels for ventilation. Seat height is 42 centimeters, ideal for campfires. Price $67.50. The Brew Kit lets you brew coffee anywhere. Includes a pocket zesvi, filter, butane burner, stand, thermometer, and carrying case. Lightweight and cost about $90. Paise is a waterproof flashlight multi-tool featuring a lighter, power bank, screwdriver, GPS tracker, and pill container. The body is so tough you could crack nuts with it. Starts at $50. A fun camping and home accessory, a small rubber hedgehog that speeds up drying clothes in the dryer. It tumbles with laundry, improves air circulation, and reduces drying time. Price about $12. Mars Player's The One isn't just a camping stove, but a full-featured outdoor mini-kitchen with a futuristic space probe design. It heats the grill up to 430 degrees in under 40 seconds, repels mosquitoes, lights up, warms your campsite, and even works as a speaker. It runs on a car or generator, needs up to 1,800 watts, and weighs only 14.7 kilograms. Price about $4,430. Compact Bluetooth speaker with crystal clear sound, built-in flashlight, 3 modes, and an 800 milliamp-hour battery. Plays for up to 8 hours straight and costs about $90. The UMI belt buckle holder lets you discreetly carry a folding knife right in your belt, always within reach. Fits 4 belt models and comes in black or silver. Full set, belt plus buckle, costs around $60. A compact gas heater warming up to 42 square meters, runs on a 3.8-liter propane tank lasting almost 11 hours. Auto shut-off to tipped over or low oxygen. Price about $247. An inflatable hot tub made from paddleboard material stays afloat and is sturdy enough to sit on the edge. In a few hours, propane heats the water to 50 degrees Celsius, and thanks to a cover and recirculation system, it keeps warm for days. The price of this luxury? $579. RoverTac's $24 multi-tool impresses with more than just its price. It has 14 tools, including a hammer, hatchet, saw, and bottle opener. The maker claims it's tough enough to handle fire hydrants. Ultra-portable camp handwashing station measures just 25 by 11 by 6 centimeters and weighs about 500 grams. It even has a foot pedal so you can wash your hands without touching the faucet. Prices range from $10 to $50. The Raptor medical multi-tool scissors, popular with soldiers, medics, and rescuers, can cut seatbelts and cables and even break windows with a carbide tip. Folded length under 5 centimeters, weighs only 164 grams, costs about $70. These all-season gloves have graphene heating elements producing gentle infrared warmth, like a mini sauna. One charge keeps your hands warm for 6 to 7 hours, even in cold weather. Merino wool heated socks keep you warm for up to 16 hours and cover the calves too. Includes a remote control for temperature, and the fabric helps reduce odors. A pour-over coffee maker with a 300 milliliter thermal mug. Just add coffee and pour hot water. Includes filters and a scoop. Price $49. This electric camping wagon can travel up to 11 kilometers per charge, reaches speeds of 7 kilometers per hour, and carries up to 91 kilograms of gear. It auto-brakes downhill and offers uphill assist, reducing strain by 95%. The battery is removable and the wagon folds for storage. Price $1,400. The Eno Double Nest Hammock weighs only 540 grams, but supports up to 181 kilograms. Versions for 2 people are available, plus a built-in pocket for cans or bottles, around $75. The ReadyB 72 backpack was built with input from rescuers and doctors to help survive 72 hours in an emergency. Includes a tent, knife, food, fire starter, water filter, flashlight, solar panel, rope, and more. Recommended to keep one at home and in your car. Costs about $200. A hybrid knife mixing a blade and Japanese Hori shape, cuts, chops, and digs. 121mm steel blade, weighs 510 grams, comes with durable sheath. Price about $300. A lightweight 800-gram inflatable chair holds up to 150 kilograms, quick to inflate with reinforced bottom and stake straps. Price about $87. Equipped with LEDs up to 120 lumens and 1300 mAh batteries lasting up to 30 hours. Waterproof and drop-resistant. IPX6. Price for a pair is $80. A stainless steel kit with rotation and adjustable height cooks multiple dishes at once and runs up to 30 hours on 2D batteries. Price $228. Titanium keychain that unfolds into a knife. The set includes 2 blades and a bottle opener, plus a glass breaker and carabiner. Total length with blade 135 millimeters. Price around $89. A camping carabiner that rotates 360 degrees and holds up to 11 kilograms. The kit includes 2 carabiners, 2 tensioners, and 9 meters of paracord. Price is $26. The survival stove head weighs just 57 grams and turns a tin can into a camping stove. It can also act as a stand or even a knife. Costs only $20. Paracord Fire Starter is a bracelet or keychain made of durable paracord up to 3.5 meters long, hiding a fire starter inside. In emergencies, can be used as rope. Weight 20 to 35 grams. Set costs $23, separately $15. Forever Knife is a bushcraft and camping knife with a hidden storage compartment in the handle and magnetic sheath attachment. Comes in hardened steel, $250, or Damascus steel, $255. Length about 23 centimeters. Available in 3 sizes for pets up to 10, 30, and over 30 kilograms. Lightweight but sturdy steel frame. Price starts at $46.50.